Today, we're taking an important step toward creating a safer, more aware workplace for all of us. In this session, we're going to talk about something called the line of fire. It's a simple phrase, but it carries a powerful meaning. In workplace safety, being in the line of fire means finding yourself in harm's way. The direct path where a moving object, a piece of equipment, or even a sudden release of hazardous energy could cross your path and cause serious injury, or even a fatality. These situations often fall into three categories: struck by incidents, caught in or caught between hazards, and unexpected releases of energy. No matter the type, they all have one thing in common: they can be prevented with awareness and proactive decision-making. Throughout this training, we'll explore how to recognize these hazards before they become threats, how to stay alert in dynamic work environments, and how small, intentional actions can keep you and your team safe. Let's get started. Let's talk about the term line of fire. This phrase actually comes from military terminology. It refers to the path of a projectile or any dangerous force. In workplace safety, the concept is just as critical. It describes situations where individuals are at risk, where there's potential to be struck, crushed, or seriously injured. So, where do these hazards come from? They often involve tools and machinery, moving objects, or even energy flows like hydraulic or electrical systems. Always remember, staying out of the line of fire means staying alert and positioning yourself away from danger zones. Your awareness can prevent serious injuries. Line of fire hazards occur when a person is directly in the path of a moving object or hazardous force. These situations carry a high potential for severe injury because the forces involved are powerful and often unpredictable. Hazards can arise suddenly, frequently due to improper safety protocols or unforeseen circumstances. Always stay alert, identify danger zones, and keep out of the line of fire. Workplace hazards often fall into three major categories. First, struck by incidents. These involve being hit by an object and are common in construction and manufacturing. Second, caught in or caught between incidents. This occurs when a person is trapped between objects, often involving machinery or equipment hazards. Finally, released energy incidents. These involve sudden energy release, such as explosions or electrical discharges. Recognizing these hazards is critical to staying safe. Struck by hazards can be common at PIP. Watch out for falling objects like tools or materials from heights, often caused by poor storage or handling. Be alert for flying debris during grinding, cutting, or welding. And stay clear of moving equipment. Forklifts and vehicles can cause serious injuries. Stay aware, stay safe, and avoid the line of fire. Caught in or caught between incidents are among the most dangerous workplace hazards. One example is trapped in machinery, when loose clothing or body parts get caught in moving equipment, such as conveyors or rotating gears. Another is crushed by collapsing structures, like scaffolds giving way or individuals trapped under falling structures. Finally, squeezed between objects. Workers caught between two moving objects, a common scenario in industrial settings. Stay alert, secure loose clothing, and maintain safe distances to prevent these life-threatening accidents. Released energy hazards can occur suddenly and with devastating consequences. Here are some examples. Pressurized systems. When pressurized tanks or pipes fail, the stored energy is released instantly. This can result in violent explosions, flying debris, and severe injuries. Electrical arc flash. An electrical arc flash occurs when a short circuit or fault releases intense heat and energy. Temperatures can reach thousands of degrees in milliseconds, causing burns, fires, and equipment damage. Proper lockout-tagout procedures and insulated tools are critical for prevention. Spring-loaded components. Compressed springs or tensioned parts store significant energy. If released unexpectedly, these components can move with tremendous force, striking workers or equipment. Always secure and release stored energy safely before performing maintenance. Stay alert. follow lockout-tagout procedures, and respect the power of stored energy. Let's talk about something that can save lives: avoiding line-of-fire hazards. These hazards happen when you're in the path of moving objects, equipment, or energy sources. The good news? We can prevent them with a few smart steps, such as risk assessment, engineering controls, administrative controls, PPE, and awareness of your surroundings. It also makes good sense that each of us create a safe culture to speak up if we see something and remain aware of activities around us. Preventing line-of-fire hazards takes teamwork, awareness, and the right controls. So, take the time, follow the steps, and keep yourself and your crew safe. Because at the end of the day, nothing is more important than going home healthy and in one piece. Before we conclude, let's review 2 real-world incidents that occurred at PIP and resulted in serious injuries requiring medical attention. In the first case, a worker was struck by a falling hammer. The hammer had not been properly secured during roof work. This failure led to severe head injuries. This incident reminds us how critical it is to secure all tools and materials when working at heights. In another case, an operator's hand was caught in an unguarded conveyor belt. The result was multiple fractures and deep lacerations. This highlights the importance of machine guarding and following lockout-tagout procedures to prevent such injuries. These examples are a powerful reminder that safety is never optional. Staying alert and following established protocols can prevent life-changing injuries. Take the time, follow every step, and make safety a priority for yourself and for your team.